Hello guys, this is me. I'm decided to make this because of the four-nation face-off. I hope you enjoy this compilation, and let's do it. 5 fun facts about the United States, let's do it. The first fact is the United States has the most international students in the world, meaning students in school which came from different countries at 4 million. The second fact is the US is number 1 in the Olympics of all time with the most medals at 2,629. So do you know the country of Malaysia? Well, originally was going to have their flag with 13 stripes, but the US had 13 stripes before them, so they wanted to change fast to 14 so they wouldn't copy the US. What's your favorite climate? Well, in the US, you'll probably find it, because US is the only country in the world with all climate zones: continental, temperate, tropical, dry, and polar. The fifth fact is the US has the world's largest office building called the Pentagon with 6.5 million square feet. Please subscribe. 5 fun facts about Canada, let's do it. The first fact is Canada has the longest coastline in the world, having over 200,000 square kilometers, which is 32% of the entire Earth's coastline. Does anyone watching this short like basketball? It's one of the most known sports in the world, and the second fact is basketball was created in Canada in 1891 by James Naismith. The third fact is Canada has over 2 million lakes, which is more lakes than the entire world combined. The fourth fact is every season, Canada always gets a different national sport. For example, Canada's national sport in winter is hockey, but when it's summer, the national sport changes to lacrosse. If you're watching this video, there's a chance that you're on your phone. And the fifth fact is Canada created the first phone starting in 1876 by Alexander Graham Bell. Please subscribe. 5 fun facts about Sweden, let's do it. Could you imagine life where every night has the sun? Well, you don't have to. The first fact is that northern Sweden and also Norway, you could see 24-hour sunlight, or called the land of the midnight sun. The second fact is 90% of Sweden's population speaks English. There's a higher percentage of English speakers in Sweden than there is in the US. What's your favorite music service? 3.7 billion people would have picked Spotify. The third fact is Spotify was invented in Stockholm, Sweden. Do you have a lunch break or coffee break ever? Well, the fourth fact is in Sweden, they use a word called fika. It is used as a time to relax and enjoy some coffee. Are you eco-friendly? Well, the fifth fact is Sweden is the most eco-friendly country, recycling 99.8759% of all recycle. Vanligen prenumerera. 5 fun facts about Finland, let's do it. The first fact is Finland has the highest consumption of milk in the world, but at the same time, Finland has one of the biggest lactose-intolerant populations in the world, being 17% of the population. They don't just have the highest consumption of milk, they also drink the most coffee with an average of 12 kilos a year. Another crazy thing is that they had to bring down the average because of children. It would have been even higher. How many people do you text every day? Well, you wouldn't be able to do it without Finland because the third fact is a person from Finland named Matti Makkonen invented text messages. I don't usually listen to heavy metal, but the fourth fact is Finland has the most metal bands per capita. One band per every 2,000 people. You might know Finland's the happiest country in the world, but it doesn't seem happy. The fifth fact is Finland's one of the most depressed countries in the world and one of the most suicidal. Tila kitos.